Yeah, this is quite a hard question. Solve this equation. It's a fairly complicated equation. It would also be something that is very much part of the core content. So this type of question, could be asked to advanced students as well. So part of that 20% that makes up core content. So what makes the way I look at these equations is what makes this difficult. The fractions make it difficult. So the first thing we want to do is see if we can get rid of all these fractions. Now we've got something divided by 5 and something divided by 2. So what I'm going to do is multiply everything by 10. And by multiplying everything by 10, I'm going to try, I think I'm going to be able to get rid of all those fractions. So if I multiply the first thing by 10, 2x over 5 times 10, well, that's 10. 5 goes into 10 twice, and I'm going to get 4x here. 1 times 10, I've got to remember to multiply by that. 1 times 10 is 10. And when I multiply this by 10, 2 goes into 10 5 times. So what I'm going to get is this. 10 divided by 5 is 2, so 2 times 2x plus 10, obviously. 2 goes into 10 5 times, so I get 5 times 3x plus 1. And suddenly what I've done there is I've got rid of all the fractions. I've got to be a bit careful with multiplying out this bracket, but we should be okay with that. So we get 4x plus 10 equals 15x plus 5. And then I've just got to solve. So I would take the 4x over. This is 15x minus 4x becomes 11x. This is plus 10. This is plus 5. So when I take this plus 5 over, it becomes minus 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then how do I finish it off? It's 11 times x. So I've got to divide by 11. And I get x equals 5 over 11. In the HSC, you could get your calculator out, calculate this side, put 5 over 11 into this side, see what it equals, put 5 over 11 into this side, see what it equals. If you've got the same thing, you know you've got it right. So it's always, you can always check your answers. You don't want to waste too much time doing that. But if you can, if you've got time, when teachers say check your paper, instead of just going through it, if you can sub things back in, sub them back in and see if it works. Okay, thanks.